everyone. Welcome to the kickoff of the HealthLink Walk Around Illinois Wellness Program. For over 23 years, HealthLink has proudly served the state of Illinois and its members. One of HealthLink's goals is to actively engage state of Illinois employees with exciting health and wellness initiatives. Whether you are a HealthLink member or not, your whole health is important to us, which is why we are here today at Lincoln's home to announce a wellness program that can guide you to better health, step by step. Now I'll turn this over to Director Devon, who's going to explain how the Walk Around Illinois program works and announce our celebrity coach. Director Devon?
Thank you, Stephanie. The state of Illinois is grateful for our partnership with HealthLink. Together, we strive to help all of you to be well, live well, and stay well. Today, I am excited to announce a month-long challenge that is open to all state of Illinois members. By simply downloading the Walker Tracker app, you can walk around Illinois virtually and start stepping your way to a healthier lifestyle. And who's going to coach you as you start walking? Here is 6-time Olympic medalist and 4-time world champion, Jackie Joyner-Kersee. She's going to help us launch this exciting program and serve as your official Walk Around Illinois coach. Jackie?
Thank you so much, Director Devon. Welcome to Walk Around Illinois. This innovative program will help you make strides towards a healthier, happier you through the simple yet powerful act of walking. As we embark on this journey together, please remember that being and staying healthy isn't about intense workout, restrictive diets, or sprinting at 800 meters. It's about embracing habits that nourish both the body and mind. With walking as our cornerstone, we hope to change your approach to fitness and well-being, one step at a time. Walking is a fantastic way to stay active, and all you have to do is download this app. The program begins Monday, July 1st. With the Walker Tracker app, you'll be able to explore Illinois virtually, track every step, enjoy the many benefits of walking, from physical vitality to mental clarity. You'll discover how this easy exercise can transform your life in ways you never imagined. And I'll be on your team during the entire month of July, providing tips, motivation, and even some cheerleading. So, welcome to the Walk Around Illinois, where every step counts.
Thanks, Jackie. Are we all ready to start walking?